Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here all students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is English grammar and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic is distinguish between relevant and irrelevant information. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Distinguish between relevant and irrelevant. Relevant. Grammar and punctuation rules that are those that are essential for clear and ambiguous communication. Grammar और punctuation के वो असूल्स जो बहुत ज़रूरी हैं clear और ambiguous communication के लिए, वो relevant कहलाते हैं. Irrelevant grammar and punctuation rules are those that are not essential for clarity and ambiguity. जो clarity और ambiguity के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है, irrelevant information कहलाती है. Sorry. Many such rules are a matter of style, not perspective grammatical rules. और बहुत सारे इनमें हैं जो स्टाइल के लिए मैटर करते हैं, ना कि grammatical rules के लिए. Here are some examples of irrelevant grammar and punctuation rules. The rules against using split infinitive and or ending a sentence with preposition. Second, the rule against using they, them, their as a singular infinite pronoun. Third, the distinction between different form, different than, and different to, whether data is a singular or plural. Relevant grammar and punctuation rules. Comma error that cause ambiguity, misuse of apostrophe, subject verb agreement, dangling participle, unclear antecedents, and other constructions that can create ambiguity even when most reader will understand what's meant. Summary. Distinguish between grammar and punctuation rules that are essential for clear, ambiguous communication and those that are not essential. डिफरेंस यही है कि ग्रामर के जो पंक्चुएशन रूल्स हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं, क्लियर हैं, एम्बिगुअस कम्युनिकेशन के लिए उन्हें अलग किया जाए, उस जो ज़रूरी नहीं है उन इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए से. एंड recognize that many rules are style choices, not rules of English grammar deviations here and wrong, but rather not the way we do it here. और इनमें से जो कुछ रूल्स हैं वो स्टाइल के लिए चूज़ किए गए हैं, ना कि इंग्लिश ग्रामर के लिए. इंग्लिश ग्रामर और डेविएशंस isn't wrong, but rather not the way we do it here. To improve consistency in a company publication, but some grammar and punctuation style choices into the style guide. अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए पब्लिकेशंस कुछ ग्रामर्स पंक्चुएशन स्टाइल्स को चूज़ करें अपने ग्रैंड स्टाइल्स में. ज़ेनी स्टडी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माई वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक. अल्लाह हाफिज़.